mural project was a wood marquetry mural that was done in 1938 by a female artist by the name of Amy Gorham. And this mural is huge. It graces the main entrance of Chapman Elementary School and the entrance to the auditorium. And this mural, which was done 82 years ago, had never been restored. It has graced that hallway, and hundreds and thousands of elementary school students have walked by it over the past 82 years, and it was really showing its age. It had some vandalism, some wear and tear, some of the veneer was starting to separate, there was some scratch marks. It was badly in need of restoration. And so that was the main project, was raising money, getting the community together to even understand that this was an important heritage community treasure, really, in the school, and raise the money, educate the community, and get the pieces restored.
My name is Nina Olson, and I'm the lead conservator for this project. The conservation of Amy Spencer Gorham's mural aimed to preserve the artwork as well as the artist's legacy, and inspired art history and conservation research on the New Deal that's been disseminated on a regional and national scale, led to technical workshops on wood science, and enriched the understanding of the quality, variety, and diversity of artistic talents in Oregon during the 20th century. The project encouraged Friends of Timberline to conserve Gorham's works at the Lodge, and has also brought attention to the treasure of the visual arts collection at Portland Public Schools.
So many people that had no idea that this was an important historic piece, and so there was people had walked by this art piece, and it never even registered that this was a significant piece of art and history that they are walking by every day and had no idea. So to have a rare piece of art that students could learn about and incorporate into their education, we thought was a really valuable piece. A lot of the community wasn't familiar with the WPA and why that was significant in our country's history. She was complimenting on the unveiling event, and she says, "I've been sitting in a lot of meetings lately with nonprofit leaders and had a chance to reflect on the title of Gorham's work. It gave me a good dose of hope and inspiration. Send us forth to be builders of a better world is my new rallying cry."